the right type of fertilizers, manures and plant protection materials at the right quantity and at the right time are essential for better crop yield. The computation of the correct doses has always been a difficult task even for the most experienced extension worker and farmer. Realizing this, the Kerala Agriculture University came up with two easy to use decision support systems, namely KAU Fertulator and KAU eCrop Doctor. KAU Fertulator is a decision support calculator which helps in easy and precise calculation of fertilizer dosages for almost all crops cultivated in Kerala. According to the crop, variety, growth phase, farming situation and other factors, fertilizer can be computed using this software. It's a very easy to use calculator. By giving just two inputs, we can compute the quantity of fertilizer required using this software.
Welcome to the demo session of the Crop Health Advisor Decision Support System of the Center for E-Learning, Kerala Agriculture University. Fortunately, solutions to farmers' problem is now available with just the click of a mouse. The digital Crop Health Advisor is a very easy to use software for farmers and extension workers. It's a bilingual set of softwares available both in English and Malayalam. There are two softwares in the package. The first one is the KAU Fertulator. Now on the screen is the KAU Fertulator, a very simple to use fertilizer prescriptor for the use of the farmer as well as the extension workers in the State Department of Agriculture. I will just navigate you through the demo of the software. For example, the software comprises advisory packages, fertilizer advisory packages for almost all the 140 crops of Kerala, divided into major divisions like rice, plantation crops, vegetables, spices, fruit crops, pulses and fodder crops, and miscellaneous crops. As an example, let us take rice first. If you just click that icon, you will get this area where under different situations rice is cultivated in Kerala. Different situations are available, and you ask the farmer in which situation he cultivates rice, and you click. If you click at that particular micro farming situation of the farmer, you will get the required quantities of NPK fertilizers, different types of branded fertilizers available in the market. I will click here, and you ask the farmer how much area he cultivates paddy in terms of cents or acres. For example, if the farmer is having 300 cents or 3 acres of rice, and you will just enter the acreage and just to go out, and please focus your eyes on this last column. You just click, and the various branded fertilizers under NP and K required for the farmer for that particular piece of land, 300 cents, would be available just at the instance of a mouse click. Suppose a farmer having plantation crops comes to you for advice, or the farmer at his own home wants to operate this software, and what he has to do is just to click the icon plantation crops, and the various plantation crops available in the state would be visible. And if he is a coconut farmer, let him click the area coconut. Then here, instead of entering the acreage, the farmer can enter the number of farms available in his coconut orchard. For example, if it is 200 farms, let him enter 200, and please look here, this last column, this is the column where the specific fertilizer recommendations appear just at the instance of the mouse click. You just go out and click, see the figures have changed. So these are the fertilizer recommendations for the farmer having 200 coconut palms. Similarly, there are options for almost all the crops. Let us take vegetables and tuber crops. The farmer is clicking here and he can select the vegetable of his choice. If it is cucurbits, what quantity of fertilizer he has to apply as a basal dose, he let him click here. See, the NPK recommendations have come here, but what he is interested in is he wants to know the different brands of the quantities required for the different brands of fertilizers available in his local market. For example, if he wants to take urea, and let him first enter the number of cents where he is cultivating the vegetable. For example, if it is 125 cents, so he has clicked here, and you just look here, he wants to apply urea. How much quantity of urea he needs? The 38 kilograms of urea he can purchase. And similarly, Rajphos, he wants nearly 70 kilograms, and muriate of potash nearly 21 kilograms for that piece of land where he is cultivating cucurbits. There are options for many other crops. For example, let us take the spices. The farmer will click here. He will select his crop. For example, if it is a 15-year-old nutmeg orchard, and here he can enter the number of nutmeg trees in his area. Suppose there are 75 trees. He has clicked 75 and he wants to apply. See, this is the NPK recommendation, but he wants to know the quantity of branded fertilizers required for these 75 nutmeg plants at that particular period of time. So here let him click urea. He wants 81 kilograms of urea, or if it is ammonium sulfate, he has to use 182 kilograms of ammonium sulfate. If it is Masuri Phos, 104 kilograms, muriate of potash 126 kilograms. Similarly, the agriculture officer or the farmer, he can go for other crops also. Let us take the fruit crops here. Click the icon fruit crops. Select the crop. Here I have selected banana tissue culture. Banana tissue culture plantation. The plantation is 210 days old after planting. So these are 210 days old banana plants are there. See, tissue culture suckers are there, and the farmer has suppose 350 banana plantations, banana palms. Here instantaneously the quantity of fertilizer have come. All the individual fertilizers he can select from one, and he can go to the market and purchase and apply. There may be occasions where the agriculture officers, they know the actual NPK recommendations. So we have given another option. If you know the recommendation of NPK, just click here, and there are windows for fertilizer based on the fertilizer recommendation. So for arecanut, the major nutrients are N, P and K. The extension worker can enter the, if he knows the NPK dose, let him enter 100 N, 90 P, 120 K. So if you go out and just click the actual quantities of kilogram for a hectare of this urea, the branded fertilizer urea, the branded Rajphos, and the muriate of potash will appear in this column. So it is straight away converted on kg per acre also, and if you just enter the current market price of per kg current market price, you will get price per hectare and also you will get price per acre. All these recommendations being dynamic and the market prices fluctuate, we have made it a practice that this software will be regularly updated, frequently updated, and we always advise the farmers and extension workers to use the latest version of this KAU fertilizer. The special unique feature of KAU fertilizer is that it is available in the local language of the farmer, Malayalam ditto. All the facilities in the local language is also available, and the farmers can easily navigate through. They can select the crop, they can enter the area, and they will see the fertilizer recommendations just at the instance of a mouse click. Very user friendly, and even the farmers, just by one day's practice of using this software and using this their computer, they can straight away use it. That is why we call it as advisor on mouse click.
Similarly, KAU eCrop Doctor is a software which prescribes chemicals recommended against various pests, diseases and weeds. There are separate modules in this software for pest management, disease management and weed management. The dosage of chemicals, the quantity required per unit area including cents, acres, hectares, and the quantity of chemicals required per liter, per sprayer, etc. are also available in this software. The trade names of various chemicals are also can be identified using this software.
The second software developed by us in the Crop Health Advisor Decision Support System is the KAU eCrop Doctor. This is also a very user friendly, easy to use instant advisor for prescribing plant protection materials like pesticides, fungicides, bactericides, weedicides against insect pests, crop diseases and weeds. See, let us have a trial of this. You just click insects in, then take the case of fruit crops, let the farmer click on this icon fruit crops, and here is a window where you can specifically select the insect pest troubling you. For example, I have selected here the banana pseudostem weevil. Instantaneously, the available chemicals in the market with this dosage percentage, the quantity of the insecticide to be diluted in 1 liter of water, and if the farmer is using an ordinary knapsack sprayer, for example, he has to use 10 liters of water, so per sprayer how much milliliters or milligrams of the pesticide has to be diluted. He can also get a picture of per acre dosage. If he wants it for 1 hectare for 500 liters of water, here it will automatically apply, and the special remarks about the mode of use and the other details and precautions to be taken while using the insecticide will automatically come in this window. Let us have a trial on diseases. Just click the icon diseases. An array of crops and crop groups will come. If you have plantation crops and you have coconut, and if the disease is coconut leaf rot, just click it, and the entire recommendations for dosage, the per liter dilution, the per knapsack sprayer quantity of insecticide, fungicide required, the per acre quantity and the per hectare quantity, and the special remarks will appear just within seconds. The software accommodates prescriptions for weeds and weed control also. Here is the icon for the weeds. Similarly, the weed control under different crops and crop categories has been categorized. If it is weed control in rice, and if you feel that you are having transplanted rice, and the available herbicides, weedicides available in the market will appear along with their trade names, their chemical names, and the dosage, prescription, active ingredient per acre, and the actual commercial product that a farmer has to use per acre, and the description of using this weedicide, the precautions, the method of use and time of application will instantaneously appear. See, this is not only a prescription tool or advisory tool. Farmers and even students and officers, they can use this as an educational tool. For example, see here there is an icon, herbicide classification. Just click it, and as we all know, there are different classes of herbicides, and I click pre-emergent herbicides. The list of pre-emergent herbicides will come. Selective herbicides, the list of selective herbicides available in the markets will come. So thus this is also a very easy to use educational tool. Regarding insecticides, the pesticides, the fungicides and weedicides, apart from the chemical names, we have given an exhaustive list of the trade names available in the market. For example, these are the most popular weedicides available in the Kerala market. This is the chemical name. This column represents the trade name and its formulation, and even the company, the manufacturer's name is also given, and also what type of weedicide or fungicides or insecticide it is, whether it is highly toxic, whether it is moderately toxic, and whether it is slightly toxic has been given in the respective column. Currently, people are bothered about the eco-friendly methods and integrated pest management. This particular software has given emphasis on eco-friendly methods also for insect pests, disease and weed control. For example, see here, we have given enough importance for biocontrol methods. Just click here, lot of literature, lot of prescriptions regarding biocontrol, the name of the crop, the name of the pest, the biocontrol agents which we can use, the mode of use, and other special additional remarks will come. We have given equal importance for integrated pest and disease management also. Click here, you get a lot of information regarding the integrated pest management, its advantages, the specific cultural methods we can use, the mechanical methods, the biological methods, different types of parasitoids, natural enemies, and a lot of details regarding biocontrol practice, the regulatory practices, and again we will also use the chemical methods and the comparison of chemical versus biological methods. Then we have also given a section for use of botanical insecticides. So while designing this crop health advisor decision support system, we have not forgotten the Kerala farmer. Farmers are the ultimate end users, and unless we develop the softwares in their local language, Malayalam also, there will be limitations in its extent of use. Realizing this, we have developed the bilingual version of Malayalam also, the vernacular version, and the same facilities that was available in the English version is available here. Let us just have a glimpse of it. Everything is in Malayalam, and all the facilities which the English version has come here also. The farmers can easily operate it, easily navigate it, and easily read it and easily apply it. This vernacular version also, we used to update it very regularly, considering the availability of the insecticides, pesticides, and also the cropping season and the type of crop available during different seasons. So we have also given the other details regarding brand name, etc., and the company's name in Malayalam also. So all the details are available in the vernacular means the farmers, the members of the family can conveniently use this as a very quick to use agricultural advisory system.
The calculations in these softwares are actually based on the recommendation of various agriculture research stations in Kerala. And the speciality of these two softwares, the KAU Fertulator and the KAU eCrop Doctor, is that it is available both in English as well as Malayalam. We believe that these two softwares are first of its kind in the global agricultural scenario.